So try to check the status of the student after I complete like M1. This is a waiting contract agreement. Try to access the student card and then I will try to change the status from waiting contract agreement to resign. Sorry, register. Okay, after I access, I will try to change the status of student is registered. Yes, I changed it. I fill the status change dialog. I change. It did not change the field that I updated early. Okay, but when I try to check in the RR staging, I try to change the student status from awaiting contact agreement to register. Okay, yes, it change the student status is changed. Okay, so I cannot change the status student from waiting contract agreement to registered in the delivery staging. Okay, so yes, this occur after I complete readmission form for after I complete the admission form, the student status is changed to waiting contract agreement, and I want to try change as manually, but the student status is not changed. Okay, the student status is changed after I try to change it with manually, but yeah, still display waiting contract agreement status in the student card.